You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Oluwatayo Jane Ogunsakin, upcoming actress, has revealed the biggest challenges Yoruba actresses face in the industry. She reveals the challenge some actresses face that make them to remain unmarried even at the age of 40, especially Yoruba. In an interview with Bola Wadetayo, who asked about her aspect on actresses who are beautiful but not married, she said those actresses live fake lives on social media. This is why men use and dump them.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.